Here I have Xiaomi Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus, and today I'm going to show you how to turn off front camera mirroring effect on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then switch to the front camera, tap on 3 stripes here, go to its settings, and here you have mirror front camera. So let's just, for example, take one photo with this feature enabled and another one with it disabled, so you can see the difference. And as you can see, on this we have lamp on the left side and on this one on the right side. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.